In today's video, we are going to connect Trello to Zapier and automate your workflow. So first, navigate to zapier.com and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, head to the Create option in the left menu bar. Then click on Zaps. From here, you'll see the Trigger section. Go ahead and click on Trigger and search for Trello. Now it's time to set up your trigger. First, choose your trigger event. You've got options like card due, card updated, new checklist, and many more. After that, you'll need to authorize Zapier to connect to your Trello account. I've already done this step, so I'll click Continue. Next, it's going to ask you to choose a board ID. This basically means which Trello board you want to connect. Just select your board from the dropdown and click Continue. Now let's run a test trigger. Click on Test Trigger to see if everything's working properly. This will load up your recent events to test with. If everything looks good, click Continue with selected board. From there, you can choose your action to automate your workflow based on what you need. And that's how you connect Trello to Zapier and automate your workflow. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.